today we're going to the beach.
Laiya.
You requested for this in our 100 subscribers special, and now we're going there.
Yeah. I'm going to love it.
We're gonna stay there for 2 nights. So anyways, now we are now in Malvar and we're about to reach the van exit. So meaning it's still far.
We just ate breakfast
When?
in McDonald's.
Over there on your left, that's McDonald's. So anyways, so the next one over here on your left, we see that's a gas station.
We just picked it up.
See? It's a gas station. And you know what? Lala is just peeing. And then we're gonna continue our trip.
How many more hours?
I am not sure.
1 hour?
Back.
Yep, Lola's back. Now we can continue our trip. Since she does not have any mobile data anymore, we're gonna be using Lola's phone for navigation.
I still have naman. Okay. Ah, sige na. No, we're good.
So anyways, bye. We're gonna continue our trip. Over here it says Padre Garcia, meaning we're almost there and we're gonna arrive soon. Because we decided to take this route.
So
Are you told that this route is also another route, meaning we're already here. And it wasn't that long because you have to cross to the barangay for a while, which takes a little long. We made it to Padre Garcia and now we're going to San Juan, which is going to be another far route. So it's going to be another 33 minutes. Right? Another 33 minutes, then we're there. And we've already made it to this road. And actually,
What is this road, Kuya?
it's the road going somewhere in Quezon, but we're gonna stop at San Juan.
Yeah, I mean, what do you call this road?
Oh, there's
Batangas,
a name.
Quezon.
Batangas, Quezon was we already passed right there.
Ay, okay. So this is a different road. Nga pala.
Yes.
Okay.
What? We're almost there. 1,000 meters left.
Yeah, 1,000 meters.
It took us so long, like another 2 hours from the Malvar gas station, another 1 hour and 40 minutes. And we're about to reach Acuatico, finally.
It's Virgin. No? We went to
Yeah.
Virgin na before.
Yes. And now that we're in, so now we are here.
Yeah.
This is the exciting thing. We're about to reach the beach. So meaning we're gonna turn left soon.
Okay, we're here.
The door is kind of closed.
I know.
Oh, there's security. I get it.
Sir? Apo. Apo. Galang. Apo. Galang. Diana.
Do not worry.
Ayun.
We are rocks, you see. So now that we're here, the security's just checking.
Our reservation.
We're going to take a video of the tour of the room.
Yeah, that's for later.
Yay!
So who's excited?
Me.
It's Gwen's request to go to the beach.
Yeah.
Because she can't remember how a beach looks like. Since
Yeah,
the last
I
time
get-
that we went, she was still little. Yan na, they're opening the doors. Lola,
Yes.
we're here!
The gates have opened! Let's drive.
Ayan, that's where we will stay at La Prima.
Well, Kuya, talk too loud.
La Prima. So we have to put this down first. Our
Nakarating ka na sa iyong destinasyon.
So now that we're here, so anyways, we're gonna take a tour of the room later. So anyways, bye!
Bye!
So now we have entered Acuatico. the room, and we picked the room 105. And look how big it is. I am so shocked.
This is a bed. Yeah, that's the
Look.
TV. That's the
And
remote.
here's the
That's
TV. Now we shut this down because
the telephone.
it's still acquiring service. But I want to shut this thing down. So
That's the
this is the remote, and this controls the aircon.
Look, there are fruits over here.
And this thingy controls the aircon's temperature.
These are our stuff that's in the
And
bed.
over there on the side is the pool.
Do you know what type of room this is?
I am not
It's
sure.
called the Prima King.
It's
Mm-hmm.
And
this
this
is
is
the
the bath.
pool.
Okay.
This is where you pee.
When you want to show the
This is where you wash your hands. This is where you take a bath. This is where you
There's
pee,
water
pee.
cups.
And this is where you clean your hands.
Mama didn't bring toothbrushes.
And look,
Yes.
we have a little glasses of water, of course.
And
And
these
we have
cookies.
And
And these
here,
cups.
we have a safe pack
And
to
this.
keep you safe from the COVID.
Okay. Wow. Oh, is that for us?
I'm not sure.
Yes, it's for us.
Oops, you have to unlock.
Magbigay ako ng additional
Ay,
towel
thank
para sa mga
you.
bata.
Ay, salamat po.
Ay po.
Thank you, sir. Wow, we have additional towels pa. What can you say? So great service.
Yeah, it's so great service. They brought us that.
Maybe I need to do
And
something.
here is the TV.
TV, remote. The face mask is at me.
And the internet name is Acuatico Resort.
Yeah. So now we can
And
use
then
the
this is the LG
internet.
TV.
Mhm.
And some people do not like this
I
kind
want
of
the
TV.
The fruits are.
They name it Life's Good, but some people name it Life's Bad. Because
Come on.
LG is not a good brand.
Why did you say that, anak?
Because nobody.
What's the brand that you like ba?
LG is not recommended.
Gel and
Mhm.
Sony.
It's so nice, no? Oh.
I'm wearing some.
Yes, and LG.
Wow.
LG has another company called Sigma.
Ah, really? That's owned by LG?
Yes,
Mhm.
Sigma is owned by LG.
Okay.
And Sigma makes lifts, not TVs.
Oh, okay.
Sigma is a different kind of brand owned by
Yeah.
LG.
Wow.
Yeah.
Do you like it here, Gwen?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the plan for today? What are we gonna do next? We're gonna change into our...
And look, these
Ah,
are some
yeah.
fruits. They gave us mangoes. Wow.
Wow. You wanna, you wanna change na to your swimming clothes?
Yeah, we're gonna. Maybe let's go swimming now. So, anyways, bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
We packed a
Okay,
little of the food later when we go to the buffet.
No, the buffet is breakfast enough. We're just gonna order.
So,
So, what can you say about Acuatico, anak?
Cool. I love Aquatico. I love Aquatico.
I was even about to write in the paper, I love Acuatico, but I did not have a pencil. That's why Lola should have
Maybe you can just make a recommendation, ha? Mhm.
Anyways, should we go now?
Where do you wanna go?
Let's go to the pool because we're already wearing
No, the beach.